Hi, welcome back. So today's topic is three foreign languages give edge for SAP career in special projects. There is nothing like special in SAP or S4 HANA. So what happens sometimes regional specific, country specific or regional specific preference will be there in projects. For example, if someone is doing project in specifically, local project, SAP is a German based company. So all users, so for certain factory in Germany or else a certain organization in Germany, they speak only German language. What do you have to do? Your preference will be the consultant who knows Germany plus SAP SD or SAP any other module. So what happens if you learn German, like generally in organizations also, for example, you are working for European projects, they will give free training. Why? Because they wanted to have that client base. So if you are not at introduced to real time or SAP at all, still you're in job trials, still you can able to crack the competition if you learn German, if any German. But it is hardly 10%, not even 10%, 5% language specific projects. If you want, you can learn so that you will be the best in that. Next, Japanese. This is also one country specific projects will be there, language specific. Okay, if you learn Japanese, so total competition who can able to speak only English, they cannot able to speak Japanese. You are separated from that competition. So that see, in recession, these are the things you have to additionally concentrate. Okay. So French, these are the three things. First preference go to German, always SAP projects. Next go to Japanese and French. Not only for SAP, any other software industry. Okay, so Spanish also there, but I'm just telling about these three languages has a preference, project specific scenarios and project specific interviews. For example, someone is coming, they're trying to explain about the sales process, so they're talking in German language, then you cannot able to understand that one, right? So even management knows sometimes what happens. So for example, so I'll share my experiences also. Okay, what happened with if I don't know foreign language, but it's not a disadvantage. Sometimes we can manage with some other things. Okay, as of now, I'm just concluding this video. I'll try to add my experiences one by one, like how I handled if I don't know the language. Okay, thanks for joining the session. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind.